Alright guys, so this is how you change a 2001 Toyota Echo license plate light. And I checked prices online, the mechanics do it for about $27 and up, which is something so crazy because it literally takes just a few seconds. You take this little piece right here with the flathead screwdriver, just wiggle it out, pops that piece out. And then this piece right here, you just kind of twist it. It's got a little groove in there. And boom. So this is the piece that you just took out. This is the light bulb that's bad. Then you just wiggle this piece out as well. Just like that. You just put a new one in, replace it, you're good to go. And then you put it back together just the way you took it out. You put this like that. Then you snap it back. There you go, we got it done. Alright, you put it in the same way you took it out. Make sure you have the flat piece right here, this tab that doesn't have the flathead piece on it. That goes in first. This piece needs to go back behind this before you put it in, or else it will not position itself correctly. There you go. All set. Now you know how to change your lights for your license plate. Super easy. Saved me about $35 at least. So hopefully this helps somebody. Have a good day.